up! Fuck, dude. Let's see if it fucking actually works. Or maybe it fucking won't. I don't fucking know, but it's really pissing me off at this point fucking now. Jesus Christ, this is really fucking getting irritating. Really, that's a picture. Oh, hopefully you guys can't hear me. I probably can't. Really, that's a picture. Oh, hopefully you guys can't hear me. I probably can't. Really, that's a picture. Ooh, liveception. We're listening to the live stream through the live stream. That's a picture. Ooh, we're getting out of here. Okay, well, now that that's out of the way, we shall come up and look at the daily time frame where we're printing, not printing yet, but the momentum is higher while the price action is lower, and then the price action is higher while the momentum is lower, which that would be a bearish divergence on the daily. We go down to the 12-hour. We already printed a 12-hour bearish divergence, but even if we got into this 12-hour bearish divergence trade, we would have been stopped out unless we put our stop loss above this 25,000 level. So it's kind of being a little stingy. It's not wanting to come down. It's just consolidating right at this support. And you could even say that maybe this is a little flaggy with a flat top. And we could take a target. This is a bullish ascending wedge or ascending triangle. As you can see, we're making higher lows while we're keeping the same high up here. It's not getting higher. It's not getting lower. I mean, kind of did a little bit, but then it came right back up. But if we do break out of this, we're looking at 27,000 Bitcoin. Let's see where we can take some targets from. If we do take the fib from the top of here, let's see if we can come down here to down here. We would be coming right up into this golden pocket retracement of since May 2022. So this level right, let's make a golden box around it. Right here, we've got resistance. I mean, even up to right here, but the top of the breakout will come up like right above this. So if we do break out of here, and we're still printing these bearish signs on Bitcoin, I'll be looking to short from this range right here, really. Let me actually even put horizontal line right here. Basically this whole, yeah, if we come up here, short. If we come up here, we'll probably at least take profits from our long. Okay, let's keep going down. And right here on the hourly, we are about to print possibly a hidden bullish divergence on the hourly. The hidden bullish divergence, how it is a hidden bullish divergence, is right here. We got price action that's lower, while momentum's higher, and then momentum that is lower while price action is higher. That is a hidden bullish divergence. And price action right here to there. You see, it's increasing while this is decreasing. We are coming down. The money flow is coming down after we got this hourly. I guess this really isn't a bearish divergence because it is lower, but it's an anchor and a trigger. And if we come back to right here, any red dot that's printed, I mean, all of these are bearish divergences. Bearish divergence, bearish divergence, bearish divergence, bearish divergence, bearish divergence. All these are bearish divergences right there. Yeah, we're also seeing it on the 50-minute. No. But here we go. We're pumping now. I entered into a long position right down here, so that's not bad. But I also I have it pretty small because I'm in long positions from about 23,600. It was right here where I entered in. So we came down here, and I'll show you exactly why I entered into this one trade. We came down, we had a fucking massive drop, okay? Then we had a little wick back up. We came back up for a little bit, but then we came back down, whoosh, tested this golden pocket. That's where I entered. Bam! Then we took off. So that's really kind of the stuff that we're looking for. Also, at the same time, we've got, look at this, a 15-minute bullish divergence. Let's see if we can go on to the 12-minute and find it. Here we go. Yeah, we got a 12-minute. Oh, is that? No, that's not quite it. But we were seeing some bullish sentiment at this level, and yeah, that is bullish divergences on the 12-minute, because right here price action is lower while momentum is higher, and the price action is, oh wait, no, this is not, this is just anchor and triggers. Still pretty good setup while the money flow is coming up. I'm sure that on these lower time frames we have some bullish divergences too. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, right here on the 3-minute we got a bullish divergence right here. So you could have entered in right here, had your stop loss right under this, and you could have just targeted this high, and that's a 3.3 to 1 ratio. That's not bad. That ain't bad. But if you just target it up to this next level, we're at a 7 to 1 ratio, and if you get to where we are just right now, that's a 8.5 to 1 ratio. That's a crazy trade setup. Okay, let's go back to here. Oh yeah, here it is. We pumping. Look at that. And yeah, you can see if we take Le Fib from the bottom to the top, we had come here and bounced off of this. Again, the same setup as before that I just showed. Came up, and I mean, we have this double top right here, and this could even be a bigger double top. So right here, there's one top, there's two tops. We came down, we broke down, we came up and retested, and then we fell down. But then we found support right at the fib level. So yeah. And this is the bottom of this triangle as well. Things are looking mighty nice right now. Besides this, these bearish divergences on the super high time frames, not on the super high time frames, but on like Day time frames. Like, everything's looking pretty good. Yeah, this just, I mean, this doesn't even look bad because money flow's coming up, VWAP's starting to turn up, RSI's pointing up, while we've got bullish divergence on the weekly right from here. That's beautiful. The weekly bullish divergence. I wonder, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's been 11 weeks since this has printed, though. I don't know how long bullish divergences on the weekly last, but probably not more than, I don't know. But it don't matter. It do not matter. Turned to a savage, pocket got fatter. She called me daddy. Smoking a gas, gone up to Zanny. She on a powder. Alright, and okay, so what we're gonna be looking for, since we're kind of in, if we just, let's do hide. Let's just hide all this. Hide all this. Okay. We have been kind of, let's hide that. Okay. This is where we've kind of been staying inside of, and if we take out, let's see, this right here. Oh yeah. We've kind of been, this is where the most volume's been traded. But yeah, I guess this is the range right here. Every time we break here, we come down to this level. Every time that we get up to the top, we come up to here. But we're staying inside here. This is kind of the range that we've been ranging in. Small little range. But, oh yeah, we're pumping now. We're pumping now. This is where the most volume is at, so let's see if we can bust through here. Oh yeah, we coming. So let's see. 6 minute bullish div. This is the bullish div that I was talking about. I literally posted a video about this. We came down to the golden pocket with a 6 minute bullish divergence. That is why I got into this trade right here. Let me pull out the Fibby. Oh yeah, I already did that. I already showed you. Wow, it's also yeah. This is more like it. This is more like the range. We go up to here, down to here, up to here, down to here, and when we break here, we go down even lower. Up to here, down to here, up to here, down to here, up to here, down to here. This is really the range we've been ranging in. This is way more accurate. Oh, look at that. We're busting. Oh, no. We're still at the same place. Oh, yeah. So, what I am wanting to do, since I'm already in the long, we're going to wait till we come up to probably, I mean, we can look at the golden pocket. That'll be a good area to short from. Let's take from this high to this low. It's also this volume node where a lot of crypto has been hide it at. So we're going to put this here as one zone. Honestly, this could be a whole zone right here. Looking to look for a short. So if we get some bearish divergences up in this box, that'll be a good short position setup. If we start getting some bearish divs on the 6 minute, which honestly, if we do come up to the top of this box, we could get a bearish div from here. But that might be asking too much. Let's look though on the smaller time frames. We're getting lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But now we've made a higher high. If we come down and make a lower low, that'll be kind of, I mean, yeah, that won't be good because it'll still be a downtrend. But if we do come down here, if this is the top of this little squirt up, we come here. If we come back down to here, this would be a good point of entry, especially if we're printing another bullish divergence on the 3 minute or the 6 minute. And really what you got to do is just let the price action play out, set up these trade setups. So like if we come up here with the bearish divergences, trades. If we come down here with bullish divergences, trade setup. And what you really want to do is just have a bunch of these trade setups ready to go, just for whatever happens, so that no matter what happens, you're prepared. You're ready to do what will most bring you the profits that you deserve, because you do deserve the profits. And the profits are here for you. They're here for me. They're here for us all. They're here for the takings. Let me see what this trade's looking like right now. I'm going to take a slight profit, but honestly, I have a bunch of trades open. I think I have 4 long trades open now that are all in massive, massive, massive profits. And I am not going to get out of these trades until I mean, I really don't want to get out of the trades. I would rather get into a short position and just short and not take any more profits out of my trades, because yeah, I would rather hold what my plan is for this bull market coming up. It doesn't matter if we're in the bull market right now or we're starting to get into it. These trades that I am making today, these trades that I am making in these next months, these trades that I'm making in this next whole year, all these long, at least the long trades, these long trades I'm holding. I'm holding until we get to the top. Once we get to $100,000 Bitcoin, that's where I'll start to consider selling some of my shares. Oh yeah, we're up 111.29%. I'm going to save this and send it over to my computer. We're going to limit out 10% right here. And move my stop loss to my entry price, just to secure the dub, because that's how you become a profitable trader. Make sure that you are practicing proper risk management, you know, and taking the profit while you have the profit and locking that shit in. You got to lock that profit in. Make sure you can't get it taken from you, because that's the key. And making all your plans and sticking to your plans too. Don't be FOMOing into trades, because that will get you wrecked every time. If you do not have a plan set up for your trades, you are going to lose your trades. And if you don't follow the plans that you have set up, you are going to lose your trades. So make sure that you set up a plan in advance use proper risk management, and you'll be set. You will be set, especially if you aren't dumb. I'm sorry, not dumb, but especially if you just stay consistent, keep doing what you're doing, and following me too. That'll help you. You follow me, I'll give you all the best trading ideas, setups that you can possibly find on the internet, and for free too. But maybe once I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll make a Discord, and I'll put all of my good, solid. I'll put my whole trade plan for the week. You know what? That's actually what we can do. I mean, honestly, I already pretty much showed you guys everything that. Literally, if we come up here, any of this area, short with bearish divergences, short with bearish divergences, long with bullish, long with bullish. I mean, if we go up, we short. If we go down, we long. It's pretty simple. Oh, where did my... Yeah, well, that's basically all my trading plans for this week. Do we have any viewers? Oh, yeah, we have 1 viewer. 0 likes. Average view. Duration. Analytics. Oh, wait. Let's see. Is anybody actually watching, though, right now? Stream health. Excellent. Analytics. 1 view. Well, thank you for watching. I might cut up this video and put it into a little short. Oh yeah, let's see if we can come back down here though. We can get a live trade entry. That would be nice. That would be real nice. Okay, but I do need to go to the bathroom. Ooh. We pumping. Oh wait, here. I'm gonna actually I'm going to... Where's Google Docs? I'm going to put my trade into this Google Docs. New document. I don't care what the name is. But... Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Do. Time and time again, I am lost, my friend. Getting better. I'm getting better. Oh yeah, buddy. This is my trade setup that I was in, and I posted it on my YouTube Shorts, Instagram Shorts, and I posted it on TikTok before I got into the trade. And we're already up 111%. I know that's only 1.1%, but still, that is a good move. And now there is 0 risk in the trade. I moved my stop loss to my entry price, and we've guaranteed a win. We've locked in a win. And if we come back down to this golden pocket, we might lock in another win with a if we get another set of bullish divergences. And the reason why this is a solid trade setup is because we're coming down here. We're not making a lower low, which means on these lower time frames we're changing market structure. So we go from, as you can see, we go high, high, lower, high, or lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. But now, if we come up here, we've now made a higher high to this high. If we come down here, hold this, we're making a higher low. And that will be really, really bullish. And if we just target, let's see, let's do a long position. If we end to end right here, put our stop loss below, and move this up to here, just to this next golden pocket, it would be an 11-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let's see what would happen if we moved it up to the top. It would still be a 5.73 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So that's not bad. But let's just say we come past this, we break this golden pocket, and we come up just to here, just to the local high. That's a 10-to-1 ratio. But let's say what happens if we actually break out of this trend line, or out of this triangle. If we break out of this triangle, this trade setup will have been a 32-to-1 risk to reward. So if you're risking $1, you can get a $32 gain. If you're risking $5, $160 gain. $160 gain. And this short little 10% move. That would be insane. If you're using $100, but if you are trading, let's say you have $1,000 to trade with, you do not want to be risking more than $10 in a trade, especially if you are a new trader. I would even go as far to say you will only want to use $5. Risk $5 per trade if you have $1,000, because before you can make gains, you must maintain. So if you learn how to maintain your balance and not lose money, that's the key. I mean, either way it goes. Over time, if you just lock in slight wins, just like I did with this, if you just lock in these small wins and continue to just lock in little wins, little small wins, then you will always be winning. So just make sure you can lock in the wins when you're in the wins. Lock in the wins when you're in the wins. You don't want to turn a winning trade into a losing trade. So make sure you take your profits and you move your stop loss to your entry price, because that makes your risk to reward infinite. Because if you got zero risk left in the trade, yeah. So let's see. So let's say it comes down here, and then it comes up to this golden pocket. You take your profit, but then you move your stop loss to break even. Oh, so now you have zero risk in the trade, no risk, but the potential for, look at that risk to reward, a little 26,669 risk to reward ratio. But you see, you're risking none, and your rewards could be infinite. Because if you just hold this trade all the way into the bull market, let's say, let's go to just 100K. 100K seems to be a reasonable target, right? 100K. Completely reasonable target for the bull market. Top. So if we could get into a trade entry. Oh yeah, this is a bullish divergence here on the 3-minute, or on the 30-minute. Oh shoot, this is a bullish div on the 30-minute. Wait, no, it's not. We're lower. I thought for a second. But let's move this stop loss back down a little bit. Oopsie. Whoa, what's going on? What is going on? We're gonna have to delete this one. Okay. So let's say we enter in here. Put our stop loss right here. And we go up to 100K. Because this is what I want to show people. Oh shit. Okay, we're just gonna move the whole thing. This is bad. This is real bad. Okay. We'll go here. Go back up to the top. Oh wow. 100,000. Here we go. So from 100,000 to where we at is from where we are is a 300% gain. A 300% gain. But the risk to reward ratio, if you just enter in at the top right here, would be 1,029 to 1. If you just hold the trade until 100,000. So let's just say you're only risking $1. Only risking $1 on the trade. If you can get this up to here, take profit, okay? When we come up to this next golden pocket, you move your stop loss to your break even, okay? Then you just hold that trade. You have a free trade that could give you $1,000 if you just hold it and wait. And this is what I like to call seeds. You want to plant seeds on some fertile ground, and you want to make sure to take care of your seeds and let them grow. And do not be greedy with them. You know what I mean? Don't just don't be greedy with them. But also, I mean, once you have zero risk in the trade, I wouldn't even take any more profits. I wouldn't even take any more profits for at least until we start seeing more bearish sentiment in the market. So I do know that we have the bearish divs on the daily, but if we look at the hourly, look at this. We've got a higher high, a higher low. We didn't make a higher high, but we did make a higher low. We again didn't make a higher high, but we did make a higher low. So even though we're not making higher highs, we are making higher lows, and we're coming up close to making a higher high. So really, this is pretty bullish on the hourly, and also go on the daily. We're still in an uptrend. Look at this. We come down here, make a high, make a lower low, make a higher high, make a higher low, then come up here, made a higher high out of all these highs, and then a higher low, and then we come up here, we're making a higher high. So really, if we break this 21,500 level, which I am short from there, let's see if I have I probably don't. But once we break this level, which is also the value area low, then I would be maybe thinking about taking a little bit more profit out of my trade. But honestly, I've already taken a lot of profit. a lot of profit because I'm up pretty massively from 21,500. But that's the real point of no return. So if we come down here, hit the golden pocket, bounce off, we're making another higher low, which is super nice. Okay, let's see. We did have one viewer for a little bit, but now we have no viewers left. But that's okay. Yeah. I think I'll end the stream here because I've been streaming for a minute. I don't even know, 35 minutes. I do have to take a shit. So, hopefully you guys got some value out of this. And I'll see you later. End stream.